Good morning, lovely children. How are you? I hope you are all doing well and taking good care of yourselves. I welcome you once again into our lesson, English Grammar, Basic 2. Today, we shall continue to look at prepositions, which we started last week. Today, we shall have a continuation. Before we continue, let us look at our objectives. So by the end of this discussion, you should be able to identify prepositions in simple sentences. You should be able to identify prepositions in simple sentences. 2, you should be able to use prepositions to construct your own sentences. You should be able to use prepositions to construct your own sentences. Good. Now, before we continue with today's lesson, let us have a brief review of our last lesson. Our last lesson, we looked at what prepositions are. And we said that prepositions are words that are used to show or to indicate the relationship between noun and pronouns in a sentence. We said that prepositions are words that are used to show or to indicate the relationship between nouns and pronouns in a given sentence. We give examples like in, on, under. I hope you are with me. Good. Can you give an example of a preposition? Right. Into. For example, Mommy poured the oil into the bottle. Mommy poured the oil into the bottle. Good. Now, let us continue with today's lesson. So, as I said, today it is a continuation of what we started last week. And to refresh our minds about what prepositions are, let us quickly have a review of what it means. Preposition is a word which you use to show a relationship between a noun and a pronoun in a sentence. You get it? Great! A word used to show the relationship between a noun and a pronoun in a sentence. Good. Let us continue. We want to look at further examples of prepositions. Further examples of prepositions. 1. Beside. Beside. 2. Across. Across. 3. Behind. Behind. 4. At. 5. Between. Between. 6. Outside. Outside. 7. By. Good. I hope you follow the examples. Now, let us see how we can use some of these prepositions to construct simple sentences. We are using some of these prepositions to form simple sentences. 1. The child is standing beside his father. The child is standing beside his father. In this sentence, the preposition is beside. Beside. The child is standing beside the father. So from your slide, you realize that the preposition is boldly printed and clearly underlined. 2. Mr. Amwaku walked across the road. Mr. Amwaku walked across the road. In this sentence, the preposition is across. Across, which is boldly written and underlined. 3. The security officer stands at the gate. The security officer stands at the gate. The preposition in this sentence is at. The word at, which is boldly written and clearly underlined as well. Number 4. Felix is sitting between his parents. Felix is sitting between his parents. The preposition here is between. Between. It means that Felix is sitting in the middle of what? His parents. The father is at the left and the mother is at the right, and Felix is at the middle. That is the between. Good. Number 5. My grandmother looks outside her window. My grandmother looks outside her window. The preposition in this sentence is outside. Outside, which is boldly written and clearly underlined. I hope you are following the examples. Good. Now, before I give you an assignment for the day's lesson, let us have a quick review. It said that prepositions are words that are used to show or to indicate the relationship between nouns and pronouns. Let us also have a reminder that prepositions answer the questions about where an item is or where a person is. For example, when I ask you, where is Felix sitting? Then you should tell me that he is sitting between his parents. So the word between is indicating a place where Felix is sitting. Very good. So don't forget, children, that prepositions answer the question about where of persons or things. I hope you followed. Great. Now, let us take our assignment for today's lesson. Listen carefully to the instruction. Listen carefully to the instruction. Construct your own sentences using the following prepositions. Construct your own sentences using the following prepositions. 1. Across. Across. 2. At. At. 3. Behind. Behind. 4. Beside. Beside. 5. By. Thank you very much, children, for your attention. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until then, take good care of yourself and be careful of the COVID. See you again. Bye-bye.